You're my boyfriend. You're not my man or my lover or my sugar daddy or my husband to be like you. You're just a friend of mine.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yep, understood. I love a boyfriend now, so I'm gonna text the youth board of school, right? And I'm not sure if it's the CNA or the HHA. I'm gonna confirm with him, and let you know. If cause that's the only source I have. If my source isn't good enough, then they may have to maybe like come live and ask for like recommendations for what is the best school. But remember, but we're not going to accept all of them though, or perfect. So what is it you want to talk about? Where's the later for? Where's the late? What do you mean? So I didn't hear you repeat. I feel like she pick up some still up on live, you know. I feel like she pick up some still be there. I should have other phone, I scroll, I watch. Cause she want to talk about something else and she said later. Hey friendly, what's up? You're on live. What are you, a CNA or HHA? What are you?
Both.
So you went to school for both? And so for the HHA, they put you directly into a job, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you send me the information for the school that you went to?
Sure.
I appreciate it. That was it. So, oh, whoop, that hang up. So that was my friend. So he did both. So I'm gonna give Tikki the number and stuff, so that Tikki can do the school. She wants to start school in April. So we're gonna make that happen. Right, chat? We're gonna make school happen. Yes, perfect. Nice. Because I'm dark, right? Because I don't want the ring light in on my eye. That's why I'm going to turn off the ring light. So if I look washed out, it's okay. But you can still see my color, right? Feels like a red though. I don't know why. No, Nick, just text me privately. Nick. Just text me and I'll call them and figure out like when is the next class and stuff and stuff like that, and we'll get it going. Okay, so we did something productive today, so that's good. And it's after 3, so it depends on how long he takes. I'll call the school today or tomorrow. If I get information before 5 o'clock, I'll call the school today. Did you get to open the account? No, because we went to the bank very late, and that was our fault. Tikki is not close to me at this present moment. That's how we wanted to do it. That's how we wanted to get it done yesterday. So we're unable to get it done today because Tikki is not close to me. We could try online, but online needs state ID, and we haven't received the state ID yet. So we could try the work authorization ID and see if it works, just to give it a try. But we will do that later on, just to see if it works. If not, I'm not going to see Tikki until next week, so we won't be able to get it done until next week. Who just sending me a request? Seven one in. So not for now. All right, thank you very much for the help. Appreciate it. So that's the dead end. They no longer do the school, but if you do get through a different school, they can help you get a job. So thank you, Nick, for the help, but we're gonna need another one. 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 So I think Tikki will come live